This motivational wall art titled 10 Things That Require Zero Talent is a thoughtfully designed aluminum sign that serves as both an inspirational piece and a durable decorative item suitable for various environments. The sign measures approximately 11.8 inches by 7.9 inches, making it a medium-sized piece that fits well in offices, study rooms, gyms, or even outdoor spaces. Crafted entirely from aluminum, the sign boasts high-quality printing with bright, vivid colors that resist fading over time. This ensures that the motivational message remains clear and eye-catching for extended periods, whether placed indoors or outdoors. The metal construction contributes to the sign's durability, making it resistant to chipping, peeling, or flaking, which is a common issue with lesser quality prints or materials. One of the standout features of this wall art is its super easy readability. The design is crafted to be visible from both close proximity and a distance, ensuring the motivational message catches attention wherever it is displayed. The font is clear and well contrasted against the background, enhancing legibility. This is particularly important for a piece meant to inspire and remind viewers of simple yet powerful principles that require no special talent to apply in daily life. Installation is straightforward thanks to 4 pre-drilled holes located at the rounded corners of the sign. This allows for easy hanging on a variety of surfaces, including walls, doors, fences, poles, and gates. Users have the flexibility to mount it with nails, jute rope, double-sided foam tape, or command strips depending on their preference and the surface type. This versatility in mounting options makes it convenient to place the sign in almost any setting without the need for specialized tools or hardware. Cleaning and maintenance are also hassle-free. The aluminum surface can be wiped clean with a damp cloth or mild cleaning solution, maintaining its vibrant appearance without risk of damage. This quality is particularly valuable for outdoor use or in environments like gyms where dust and moisture might accumulate. The message itself is a classic list of motivational points emphasizing attitude and effort over innate talent. It encourages a growth mindset by highlighting behaviors such as being on time, effort, attitude, and being coachable, all things that anyone can control without needing special skills. This makes the sign a great daily reminder for personal development and workplace culture. Its tone is sometimes described as slightly sarcastic, which can add a bit of humor and edge to the environment, though it may not be suitable for all audiences or workplaces. Customer feedback collected from various sources online consistently praises the sign for its quality and inspirational value. Many users appreciate that the metal plate elevates the message beyond a simple paper print, giving it a more polished and lasting presence. The sign's durability and resistance to wear have been noted positively, with no reports of paint chipping or fading even after prolonged use. The design is described as visually appealing and effective in promoting a positive vibe and focus on goals, whether in a home office, bedroom, gym, or communal space. Some customers have used this sign in creative ways, such as placing it in youth mentorship groups or restroom mirrors to subtly inspire and motivate. Its size is considered just right, not too large to overwhelm a space, but big enough to be noticed and read easily. The sign's lightweight nature, at just under 4 ounces, makes it easy to handle and reposition if needed. While the packaging is generally secure, a few users mentioned receiving the sign with a slight bend, though this did not affect the overall quality or usability. The price point is regarded as reasonable considering the material quality, design, and motivational impact. Overall, this motivational wall art is a well-made, aesthetically pleasing, and practical piece of decor that effectively combines inspiration with durability. It suits a wide range of environments and purposes, from personal motivation at home to fostering a positive workplace culture. The ease of installation, maintenance, and the timeless message it carries make it a valuable addition to any space where encouragement and a reminder to focus on effort over talent are desired. If you own this item, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support this channel and for easy access to purchase. In summary, this aluminum motivational sign is a durable, vibrant, and meaningful decor piece that encourages a growth mindset through a simple yet powerful message. Its quality construction and versatile installation options make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, while its inspiring content adds value to any setting. This product stands out as an affordable and effective tool for daily motivation and positive reinforcement.